To start or stop function discovery resource publication service in Windows 11 Home, right-click on Start menu icon, and then select Computer Management. Next, click or tap Services and Application drop-down menu, select Services, and then scroll down the screen, find Function Discovery Resource Publication Service, and then right-click on Function Discovery Resource Publication. Next, select Start to start or select Stop to stop. Publishes this computer and resources attached to this computer so they can be discovered over the network. If this service is stopped, network resources will no longer be published and they will not be discovered by other computers on the network. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.